Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class. Today is 27th, that is Tuesday, and in today's class we are starting a new chapter on trigonometry, that is chapter number 23. The title of the chapter is Trigonometric Ratios of Standard Angles. Okay, we are still learning trigonometric ratios, which means we are still learning sine, cos, tan, cos, x, cot. Remember that some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. We are still learning trigonometric ratios, but of which angles? Of only standard angles. Okay, the new thing that we'll be learning out here is trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Trigonometric ratios we have already completed in chapter number 22. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. A right angle triangle, 90 degree, hypotenuse, perpendicular base, we know it, isn't it? But in this particular chapter we will be learning about standard angles. Right? Now what is standard angles then? What is exactly standard angles? Standard angles in trigonometry, we have basically 5 standard angles. Okay? So angles, standard angles, which are the standard angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so these 5 standard angles are actually known as standard angles in trigonometry. Okay, now what we'll do with these standard angles, I want you guys to go to chapter number 23, which is in page number 288, just beside on page number 289, right at the top you can see this table out here, isn't it? This table is known as the trigonometric tables of standard angles. What I want you to do is write down on the first line these standard angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. On the first row this angle, on the first column this 6 trigonometric ratios, and now I'll be putting the values as well, and then we will learn this table by heart. This table is very important for this chapter. If you know this table, then only we can do the exercise. Alright, so now what I'll do, I'll pause the video and write down all the values of this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90 of the 6 trigonometric ratios. As long as I do, you people also will do in your copy, and then we'll start our exercise. Alright, so please pause the video and then make this table first. Alright, I hope you people are ready with the table. Now, what you'll do, the first row is for degrees, all these angles, okay? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. How many angles? 5. The first column will be the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan. So first we'll learn about sine. What is the value for sine 0? Sine 0 degree is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is root 3 by 2. Sorry, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Okay, this first line is very important, boys. If you remember this first line, then you can easily do the rest of the lines as well. Okay, this first row is very important. Once again we go, what is the value for sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Okay, pause the video, quickly memorize this as fast as possible. Now, after that, I come to cos. For cos, you just have to come back from the last. Okay, sine 90 is 1. Now, cos 0 will be 1. Cos 0 will be 1. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Okay, so these values come back out here. This will be here, this will be here. This remains as same, 1 by root 2. This will be here, and then cos 90 will be 0. I hope you are clear with this. Once you memorize the first, once you learn the first row, then automatically you can fill up the gaps for cos also. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This value comes out here. This remains here. This will be here. This will be here. So again, pause the video and learn these 2 rows quickly. Okay, 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. And then 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, 0. Okay, so this is for sine and cos. Please pause the video, note it down. After that, now what I know is tan is sine by cos. So tan 0 degree will be sine 0 by cos 0, isn't it? Tan 0 degree will be sine by cos according to the formula. So tan 0 degree, which is out here, will be sine 0 by cos 0. So tan 0 is sine 0 by cos 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is always equals to 0. So basically what I have to do in the third row is I have to divide this by this because I am finding tan 0. So tan 0 is sine 0 by cos 0. This by this. Tan 30 will be sine 30 by cos 30. Okay, that is this by this. If we divide 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled out. So we will be getting 1 by root over 3, which is the value for tan 30. Tan 45, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, everything cancel out, 1. Okay, tan 60, this divided by this, 2 gets cancelled out, root 3. Alright, and tan 90, which means 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. 1 divided by 0 is always equals to infinity, but 0 by 1 is always equals to 0. So please remember these two things. 1 by 0 is infinity, okay, and 0 by 1 is 0. Alright, so we are done with these 3 rows, first, second and third. Similarly, what you will do now is there is the rest of the 3 given on the book. We have cot, we have sec, and then we have cosec. So please do fill up this gap and then memorize and learn it as fast as possible. Okay, so now keeping this, I'll pause the video here and then we'll start the exercise. Okay, so please pause the video, note it down and learn it by heart. Alright, so I hope you have learned this table and then you have fill up these gaps as well. We will start with exercise 23A, question number 1. Find the value of sine 30 into cos 30. Okay, sine 30 into cos 30. First of all, you check whether it's standard angles or not. 30 degree, both of them are what angles? Standard angles. And then we have the value of sine 30 and cos 30 from the table. Okay, what is the value for sine 30? Sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. So sine 30 degrees 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. What do we actually do? Multiply. So 1 into root 3 is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is root 3 by 4. Is it simple? Yes, it is very simple, provided you learn this table properly. You have to learn this table properly by heart. Okay, learn and write. Your today's assignment will also be to do all this, make this table, learn it and then send it to me. Okay. Second question, tan 30, tan 60. The values are given out there. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 60, root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled out. So the answer is 1. Okay. So in today's class, boys, we have learned about trigonometric ratios of which angle? Standard angles. There are basically 5 standard angles: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And we are also learning the values of trigonometric ratios of this standard angle with the help of this table. So your today's assignment will be to do these 2 sums. Also send me this along with this. Write in your copy standard angles, trigonometric ratios of standard angles, make the table and then do the first 2 sums and send it to me by tomorrow. Remember that I'll wait only till tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you'll complete this. Today we will end the video out here and tomorrow we'll start from question number 3 onwards. Okay, so thank you and bye bye.